Tea by Lesley Sims and Fred Blunt. Meet Bee. Bee lives beside the sea. Today she's all aflutter, for it's Queen Bee's birthday tea. Bee buzzes home and starts to bake. Soon her rooms fill up with cake. Chocolate cheesecakes on the chairs. Cherry cupcakes up the stairs. Pies piled high with plums and pears. Ant runs in and grins with glee. You're making tea for my queen bee. Her birthday tea is by the sea. I've planned a grand tea on the sand. It must go well. Can I lend a hand? They stack up cups and fill the pot. Bee starts to frown. It looks a lot. Oh, Ant, how will I carry that? Wait here, says Ant. I'll soon be back. He finds his friends and lines them up. They carry cakes and plates and cups. 2 take the milk, 3 take the pot. Look out, calls Bee, that tea is hot. Wow, says Ant, that cake is tall. Be careful now, don't let it fall. Speed up, shouts Ant, move that cake faster. Then one ant trips. Ah, disaster! Whoosh! Oh no, cries Bee. She sobs and sighs. That was my queen bee's big surprise. The queen will be so mad with me. She'll say that I'm a bad bee. Collect it all, Ant tells his team. Now quick, Bee, whip some buttercream. You need to use the cream like glue. See? Stuck together, good as new. The queen bee gasps and laughs. Hee hee! A special cake that looks like me. Thank you for my birthday tea. The end.